The WayPonDEV CM3588 NAS Kit is a powerful network storage solution featuring the advanced Rockchip RK3588 system on a chip, delivering excellent performance for home cloud servers. With support for 4 NVMe solid-state drives, this kit offers impressive data transfer speeds, making it ideal for handling large volumes of data efficiently. The kit's dual HDMI-Out display interfaces and single HDMI-In interface allow for seamless 8K video encoding and playback, catering to high-definition video needs. It supports multiple operating systems, including Android, Ubuntu, and Debian, providing flexibility and a wide range of options for developers and tech enthusiasts. The CM3588 NAS Kit is well supported by software, making it an excellent platform for developing applications in AI, machine vision, and other advanced technologies. Compact and lightweight, this single-board computer is a great choice for both startups and established developers looking to innovate in network storage and beyond.